Hello, I'm Alice from Learn to Knit Online, and I'd like to show you how to undo a stitch. Now, as you can see here, I'm on the knit side of my work, so I'm going to show you first how to undo a stitch on the knit side. What I'm looking for, I know that this, on the right hand needle, I know this is my new yarn. This is the yarn that I just brought through. I knit through the loop that was on my left hand needle. So what I'm going to do with my left hand needle is try and find that loop below. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out to check. Yes, there's the yarn that was coming through this loop. You see how clearly that's coming through. So once I've got this secured on my left hand needle, I can then slip this off my right hand needle and release the yarn. And there we are. I've undone my stitch and I'm ready to knit it again. I hope that helps. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or if you'd like to book an online private interactive class with me, then head over to learntoknitonline.com. You can also find my self-paced videos, all my classes filmed on video for you to learn at your own pace. And if you'd like to be kept in the loop with what I have going on, then please sign up to my mailing list, The Loop, link here, and you'll find a link on my website where you will get a monthly newsletter along with a monthly inspirational knit pattern, and I'll tell you everything that's going on, all the new courses, classes and skills classes. Thank you so much. Happy knitting!